I just wanted to show you guys this box before I open it. The reason I'm opening it today is because it's so enormous. It's taking up so much room in the front haul. I need to like move it out of there, but I am gonna split it up into 2 videos because this box is enormous. Like, this is 50 pounds of denims. Like, I seriously, oh shoot. That's what I was afraid of. If I should have had Petey. I've had Petey bring it down, but let's get into this box. Sorry, friends. Little mom problems when you have a little guy. He makes a big mess everywhere. Okay, let's see what we got. Let me help you guys like look in here because I think that's always the best part. Is like, here's what it looks like. That is a lot. See some shorts on the top, just a lot of denim, right? Just like, here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, I've had every kind of issue you can have getting this video ready. I've had box issues and tripod issues and camera issues, but I think I'm ready to roll. This is 50 pounds of denim from Thredup. It's a Thredup Rescue Box unboxing video. I am gonna split it into 2 because I've tried to do 50 pounds of denim in one video before and it gets insanely long. So I buy this stuff to sell on eBay and Poshmark for profit. I'm a part-time reseller and I've been selling a ton of denim. Anything can be in this box. It could be jeans, skirts, jackets, shorts. I've gotten kid stuff. So let's dive right in and see how I do. Okay, I see some shorts on the top, so let's dive right into these. These are Maurice's, which is a juniors kind of brand at the mall. It sells okay. The brand looks like this. It takes just a second for my camera to focus. So these are like some heavily embroidered, distressed, destroyed shorts. If I learn anything about any of these brands or styles, I sometimes pop things up on the screen, so just look for something there or a little click sound. This is a pair of babies, size 6X little Cherokees. I have so much kid stuff that I need to list. I got a ton of it free from a family that was moving when the pandemic first started, and I did list a ton of that baby clothes stuff and I made a lot of money on it. I do have a video about it. I still have tons of kid stuff left over, and my son is 9. I've got his stuff. So okay, 21 Black by Rue 21. So I think this is another juniors brand. I'll show you the tags in case you're learning. I also try and use a lot of keywords in my videos in case you're a beginner to reselling on eBay or Poshmark, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, wherever you sell. If you want to learn more about how to have your items show up in search, I use a lot of keywords. I talk about how I do my titles and things. So these are a juniors brand, but they have a lot going for them. And I used to kind of scoff at these juniors brands, but I'm like, they sell. I probably can get 15 bucks plus shipping. These are a high rise with a button fly, and then look at all that distress, intentional fray, and everything like that. I like to tell you guys sizes. These are a 7/8, and they're the high-waisted, curvy jegging flex. And Taylor petite, size 6 or 8 petite. There we go, like a dark wash skinny jean. They don't seem to have any issues with them. This is not a brand that sells really well for me, but denim just sells. I mean,
yeah, that's like a real word of wisdom there. Denim just sells.
Yes, friends, I do put all my bloopers in at the end of the video, so as a little bonus for watching till the end, we get to laugh at all the bloopers. I'd love to see you at the end of the video for the bloopers. Okay, Ann Taylor is not like a brand I go out there looking for, but these are a nice high-rise skinny jean. They'll probably do just fine. Anything can be in these boxes, you guys. I always expect flaws. This is a rescue box, a DIY or reject box from Thredup. So, but I always make money. These are Mossy Mo, waist 26. I think these are boys or men's because they have a very deep pocket, like a faded bootcut pair of jeans. Nothing too crazy so far, but I've done really well with these boxes. These are express jeans. I keep putting my hand in the pocket because if you're newer and you don't know, men get a fantastic deep pocket that they can put their entire hand in, and women get a teeny little shallow pocket. So this is a pair of express jeans, women's, dark wash, kind of a straight leg jeans. Do any of you guys make shorts? I've often thought about that too. I know a lot of resellers coming into the summer months, they will cut off jeans that haven't sold or that might have a flaw and distress them and make some great cutoffs. I personally haven't done that. I don't know this brand, but it's an interesting tag. DSTLD, High-Waisted Los Angeles. Anyone know it? I got excited because I thought it was maybe that Girlfriend brand, but these look cool. So I will pop up on the screen if I learn anything about this brand. A high-rise, skinny jean, dark, stretchy, really nice. So let's cross our fingers. Maybe those are something. But the cost of goods, they didn't put my invoice in, so I'll be sure to pop it up or I'll leave it in the description. The cost for the entire 50 pounds of denim. It's really inexpensive. So, ooh, Madewell. Yes, baby. I love the brand Madewell. It's a hot brand, but their denim does the best for me. These are awesome too. They're high rise. Let me see the size. I'm like already eyeing them for myself. I'm the worst reseller. I want to keep everything. I don't see it just yet, but I will have to measure probably. It might be cut out. So these are a medium wash, super high rise, stretchy, have a little bit of a hole in the knee, and I'm seeing some staining. Is that the camera? Maybe, because I don't see it on the jeans. Now, I don't know if these jeans came with this rip, but I will note it. Really high rise on those. And then they've got the, it looks like, I don't know what's going on with this hem. They have, I was going to say a raw hem, but it looks like someone might have cut this hem. I don't know what's going on, but I can sell Madewell jeans no matter what's been going on. I think with jeans, a lot of people distress and destroy them themselves, and people are okay with that. I've sold really broken in jeans. I just take excellent photos and I note any flaws, or if I don't know if it's manufactured fray and holes or it's been DIY'd, I note that. Friends, I'm dropping in for a minute just to remind you to please subscribe to the channel. I do a ton of Thredup Rescue Box unboxing videos, wholesale unboxings, thrift hauls, and a live every Friday, and I would love to see you here. So subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thank you. Express jeans, a women's pair of jeans. These look a little dated to me, but I don't know. They've got a lot of that heavy stitching and embroidery. First I thought they might be like Miss Me with all that embroidery detail. Just a boot cut women's pair. I'm actually moving through this pretty quickly, aren't I? Yeah. Heidi, what are these babies? Registered South Pole. I don't know. These are a mess. This looks like a guy's pair of jeans with a ton of distress, but there's also like a hole. I don't get mad about any of this because this is a reject box. It is rejected from Thredup because they don't want to sell it. They don't sell men's at all anyway. So sometimes there's all sorts of flaws. So these have like a hole here near the fly. Those are probably trash or redonate. Another pair of Maurice's high rise. So these jeans sell okay for me, but these look like a larger size for them. So I can hope for some like plus size. These are a large short, so I'm still going to list them. I'll still measure across the waist and I'll list them as large short for people that know the brand, but I'll also list the waist measurement for someone who might be looking for a regular size like 30. These look like a good size to me. Just a high rise, skinny. They've got a little bit of wear in the seat. So let me use this as a teachable moment because I know I have a lot of people that watch this channel all about reselling online that are newer. So with denim, what you want to look for is often in terms of like flaws, there's stretching, like the elastic, like on this pair gets a little, see how it looks almost wobbly? That's stretching. The person who had these probably washed them in really hot water and the elastic broke out now, and the elastic released or something. And then in the seat here, you can see there's like some wear. So those are all things to be noted, and they'll definitely affect what I can sell this box for. Oh my God, whatever these are teeny. Like these gotta be kids. Abercrombie, size 2400. Look how small those are. Does anyone know why when I get Thredup boxes, they're all unzipped? Like every single pair is unzipped, and so I wonder if it has something to do with how they process it at Thredup. Those are tiny. From a reseller perspective, it is just harder to sell a 24, 25, really tiny denim. To the box, which is awkward. Old Navy Rockstar, just Old Navy, but this is a popular style of jeans, the Rockstar. I've sold them before just for like 10 bucks plus 8 shipping or 12 bucks, but like a dark wash. All right, I have a huge pile of denim on the floor. The Madewell is making me very happy. A couple pairs of Maurices. So we're doing okay so far, not like mind-blowing, but pretty good. Pair of Forever 21, another pair of Juniors high-rise skinny. And again, I'm telling you guys, I used to get super excited when I got these crazy designer jeans in here, like Mother jeans or Current Elliott, just really hot jeans. But those hot jeans take forever for me to sell if I want a decent price for them. But these like Bread and Butter, Maurices, Forever 21, Hollister, all those kinds of things, they sell quickly and easily, just in like $10 to $15 plus shipping range for me. So I've learned not to care. But here's a pair of J brand. These are white on white, so it's gonna be a little hard to see that tag. It just says J brand. These are an expensive pair of jeans, like at Nordstrom, a high-rise skinny. Now they're white, so that makes me very nervous. White is hard to sell as a reseller. I do notice a couple little spots, couple little stains maybe on these. Be very careful with white. If you're out thrifting, take it up to the window, hold it up to the light. I'm standing right in front of a big picture window looking at my succulents and my geraniums. It's May 2021, so it's spring, summer here in Northern California. It's gorgeous. So I might soak these in some like magic reseller cleaning solution that's like Dawn dish liquid, baking soda, what's the other, hydrogen peroxide, or like in some OxyClean, or I might just sell them as is. Oh my God, this is a ton of jeans. You'll see why I'm splitting it into 2 videos. Ooh, this is awesome. Good. This is really nice. This is Hudson. Hudson is an expensive, trendy brand there. Come on and focus. Focus, there you go. And see that little like flag? That is often on their jeans, but this is a crop denim jacket. Crop denim jackets are hot and it's a lighter wash. Any flaws in this baby? I wonder why they didn't take it. It looks like it's small, maybe an extra small or something. Hudson, size XL, so maybe it's a girl's. That won't do as well, but it's still really cute. This is a decent brand. It used to sell better than it does now. This is Cut From The Cloth, but it's spelled with a K. K-U-T, Cut From The Cloth. High rise, everything's high rise, so that's good. Mid to high rise, distressed, medium wash jeans, probably like 20 bucks. Oh, good, some Levi's. These are not in good shape though, but so I did a video, it's up on the channel a few months ago, where I looked through my data and I saw which brands are consistently selling for me, like my best selling brands. And Levi's was right on that list, and that surprised me. I mean, I didn't know that Levi's was doing so well right now, but they are. These have some of that elastic stretching, like these have really been worn, broken in, faded. They look to be a good size, like a bigger size, but they're not in great shape. I mean, I like that look, but I don't know if I'd want to buy them on eBay like that. These are BDG, which is Urban Outfitters, and these are really on trend or on point style-wise. So BDG is sold at Urban Outfitters. These are high-rise denim cutoffs, but they're totally like mom style. So they look vintage. They're not, but they look it. I'd love a couple more things, but I got those made well, so I'm happy. Indigo Rain ankle jeans. Interesting spelling of Indigo Rain and interesting tags on these, but I'm not familiar with this brand. I don't know if you guys are. Let me know in the commenties if you are. Ankle jeans, size 5, so that's a juniors. Tons and tons of like destroyed. So what I would put is, for my title, Indigo Rain women's jeans, size 5, ankle, black, skinny, mid-rise, distressed, destroyed, holes, fray, all that kind of stuff. So I always do my titles the same way. I always put like whatever the name brand is and who it's for and what it is. So you know, Levi's, women's, jeans, and then the size, and then I add all my keywords so that people can find my stuff in search. These are nice. Ralph Lauren. Ralph Lauren just still sells really well. Vintage and modern pieces. People just like it. I don't know why I'm having focus issues. Focus? There we go. Lauren, look at my eyes peeking out. Hi guys. Just a nice pair of jeans. Just a blue pair of straight leg women's jeans. Okay, I'm getting tired, which lets me know we've probably done like 20 pairs of jeans. This is a junior's pair of jeans, SO, jean shorts, some fray, some embroidery, nothing great there.
What should I do? Someone tell me, what should I do?
Okay, Hollister size 25, baby. Pair of like aqua juniors, Hollister jeans, but these don't look to be in good shape. Like they've got that stretching there. I don't know. What I've done sometimes is I get like 3 pairs of juniors Hollister jeans, I lot them up and sell the lot for like 30 bucks. So that's a good way to go. I want to end with something good with you guys. Old Navy, super skinny, size 10, high-rise, medium wash jeans. Listen, people know what jeans they like at Old Navy. When they're ready for a new pair, they come on sites like eBay to find them, right? These feel good, whatever these are. Gap boot cut. No, they are girls. Wow, okay. Super rich black. High-rise straight leg jeans from Gap. I was hoping for more men's jeans in here, you guys, because actually men's jeans sell the best for me. I love selling men's jeans. I don't love photographing them and everything as much, but they are such good sellers for me. That's why I ordered this box. Okay, these are a plus size. The brand is Universal Standard. What is Universal Standard? I'll have to look it up and pop it up on the screen for you guys. At first I thought it was a Target brand, like Universal Thread. Size 20 long. I love that. Plus size and long. I'm not sure of this brand, but these are super nice, and I love having plus size. I like having tall and long in my store. That's fantastic. So, first half of my 50-pound box done. Be sure to come back to watch part 2, which will be up soon. Really solid box, nothing amazing except I love those. Made well, but lots of good bread and butter that I can put in my Poshmark closet and eBay store and sell for profit. Thank you so much. I'm so glad you came and joined me. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Love you guys. See you later. Bye. Bloopers, bloopers, bloop, bloop, bloopers. No, that's like a weird angle. That's like looking up. I know this tripod goes up higher. I just can't remember how to do it. And no, that goes. Okay. Am I focused? Okay. That's better. In the early days of YouTube videos, I filmed a few videos with no lipstick and I look like a corpse. So, if I learn anything, like I gotta pick up these shorts that fell. Ooh, ooh. Denim, love some denim. Yeah, funny. Is this shirt like completely see-through? I don't usually have it all tied up quite like this. The shirt's a little see-through. Hope it's not like that bad. I mean, I wonder if I could put girls XL, women's small. I don't know, probably the arms or something would be too small. I don't know. Now I'm wondering if I should just get through this whole box. Should I just go for it? I mean, there's a ton in here, but I don't know. I don't think I can do it all. I should have brought my water over. Too lazy to go over there and get it, so I'll just suffer through.